In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity incognito mode. If you want to explore ideas, test prompts, or ask sensitive questions without leaving a trail in your account history, this short walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn on incognito and use it confidently. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this on the website in your browser or in the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in so the interface looks familiar and you can see your usual home screen. If the layout looks different, that's okay. Perplexity updates the design from time to time, but the steps are the same. Next, find the incognito icon and click it to turn on incognito mode. Depending on your device, the icon typically appears near the top of the screen, alongside search or conversation controls. It may look like a small mask, a hat and glasses, or a shield. When you click it, incognito mode turns on immediately. You'll usually get a clear visual change, such as a highlighted icon, a label that says incognito, or a subtle banner confirming it's active. If you don't see the indicator, try resizing the window or checking the menu. The option can be tucked away on smaller screens. Here's what incognito mode does for you. Any prompts you create while it's on aren't saved to your account. That means they won't appear in your conversation history and they won't sync to other devices. It's a helpful layer of privacy when you're drafting early ideas, researching sensitive topics, or testing variations without cluttering your threads. Keep in mind, incognito mode doesn't sign you out, and it doesn't change how answers are generated. It simply stops your prompts from being stored in your account history. As a best practice, double-check the icon before you start typing to confirm it's still on, especially after refreshing the page or switching devices. Once incognito mode is enabled, start creating your prompts. Be specific about what you want, provide any necessary context right in the prompt, and, if needed, ask follow-up questions in the same session so the assistant can build on your previous message. Because your prompts aren't saved, consider copying important results or exporting them to your own notes if you'll need them later. That way, you get the privacy benefits of incognito while still keeping track of your best ideas. And that's all there is to it. Open your account, switch on incognito, and create with confidence, knowing your prompts stay out of your history.